Alright guys, today I'm going to give you a quick recipe and teach you how to make a jalapeno and cheddar cornbread. This is going to be a party favorite, 4th of July, Sunday dinner, whatever. It's going to hit, I promise. Now you could make it easy with a Jiffy mix, but I'm going to show y'all the real way. Get a big mixing bowl, add about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal. We're going to do, this is baking powder, about 2 tablespoons. Next, you want to add your sugar, about a 1/2 cup of sugar. Then you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of salt. This is a nice balance of sweet and savory. All right, go ahead, get a fresh jalapeno, chop it up. You want to I add a lot of jalapenos. Just get like 2 jalapenos, cut them up, throw it in. All right, our next ingredient, and probably the most important, sharp cheddar cheese. I use freshly grated cheddar cheese. Now, you could use the packaged stuff if you like, but I like freshly grated. You're going to use about 2.5 cups of that. Break it up, grab a whisk, mix it all up. You want to mix all of those dry ingredients really well. You do not want to skip this step, all right? Next, we're going to add our wet ingredients. This is about 2 cups of buttermilk. Then we're going to add 4 large eggs. Throw that all in the mix. Next, we're gonna add melted butter. This is about 1.5 cups. Don't want it too hot, but just like room temperature, nice and warm. Now you want to grab a neutral oil, whatever oil you like. That's about 1/4 cup. And this is my favorite part. There's no measurement to this. Just, man, whatever your sweetness level is. I like sweet, so I'm adding a lot. Like grandmama used to do. There's no measuring cup. All right, now grab a whisk and you want to mix all of that really well. Now you can add this to your kitchen-made mixer, but I'm old school. That's why I got these grandmama arms, because I just put that power in there and whisk it all up, mix it really well. It's funner this way, but you don't have to do it like that. You can add it into your hand mixer, or you can get one of those handheld mixers if you like. Now, while you're working those arms and mixing that well, you want to get your cast iron skillet, throw it in the oven and preheat it. Make sure it's nicely well oiled. Other than that, it's gonna stick and you're gonna hate yourself for it. Now, once it's preheated, go ahead, add your mix to it. Throw it in the oven, 400 degrees. I did 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, but it really depends on your oven, how much mix you have in there. You always want to do the test, stick it in the middle, make sure it's well done, and bam, there you go. This came out good as hell, I can't lie. Nice and thick, it's soft like a cake almost, and you could tell from my next reaction. Focus that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yeah. About to see what this thing do. Oh my God. Damn. That's fire. God damn. It gives like a definitely get the jalapeno cornbread, the cheddar, but it's also like fluffy like a cake. Oh my God. Now that's, I ain't gonna lie, this flame. Alright. I gotta stop eating this. Good night. Man, I can't stop eating that thing. God damn.